Hello guys and welcome back. I hope you're all doing okay. In this video we're going to be doing a little bit of powder coating. My friend Geoff's got one of these relatively inexpensive powder coating kits from Harbor Freight here in the USA, and I'm taking a couple of parts just to begin with, just as a test. They are the shroud covers or the springbox covers, but they're chrome plated, so it'll be interesting to see how durable the finish is. What I've done, I've just rubbed them down with some emery cloth and some wet and dry sandpaper to scratch them up a little bit, just so hopefully the powder will key onto the rougher surface, and then we'll stick them in the oven, bake them and see what they look like when they come out.
And then I'm just looking at, trying to puff powder over it. Okay.
Great.
Oh yes. I don't like that smoke coming out.
It looks amazing, Geoff.
Looks good.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Absolutely lovely. Wow, just amazing. And here are the units back on the bench and they look absolutely brilliant. I'm so pleased with them. They look as good, if not better, than any you can buy. I mean, it's just really good quality finish. So I'm really happy with those. So I'll pop those back on the bike and then that's another job done. So I'll just tighten up these eye bolts as they connect to the frame and the rear frame member, and then I'll tighten this bolt up here just so everything's correctly lined up. It's possible that because we powder coated over the chrome, these may be more susceptible to chipping, but hopefully they'll be fine. And once they're tucked away back here, shouldn't really be a problem. Well guys, that's it. Another little project done on the bike. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it myself, and thank you so much to Geoff for all his help with this. It looks terrific, doesn't it? And it's just another step to kind of de-blinging the bike. We've labelled Chrome Molly. Thanks Eric, that was very funny. So there's a few other parts that we'll get to as part of a longer term project. Some things I probably won't do. But that's it for now, and I'll speak to you again soon. Okay guys, take care. See you.